Mills left around today. It's where you can get some of that homemade cinnamon loaf bread. Now, if you've never tried any of it, get your loaf before you leave. You may want to grab 2 loaves though, because 1 loaf is not going to make it back out to the car. It is that good. All right, y'all just sit back and relax. I'll tell you a little bit about this rolling piece of history that we're riding behind this evening. And wave the area. 1, 2, 3. Working hard today, taking us up and down the mountain. Cinderella has been here throughout the years and throughout the park's evolution, from Silver Dollar City, Tennessee, all the way up to present-day Dollywood, where she continues her tradition of hard work.